Are you excited to see your cousins?
Yeah.
Yeah? They're coming over to see you.
Which way go? What's for my head? What's for my head? This way nice for my head.
We're at Tide Me Over this morning for breakfast. And they have donut breakfast sandwiches. We're gonna have to try that. Here's what's happening at the resort today. I'm trying the donut sandwich with bacon and eggs. Oh, nice sticker lineup. Here's the Tide Me Over lunch menu at the resort. Watch out, Quinn. I got the chicken Caesar salad, and it looks amazing. Everybody else got the power packs, which, by the way, are not $6.99 like I said in my video yesterday, but they are $5.99. They have Cheez-Its, string cheese, like yogurt, carrots, grapes, a cereal bar. The kids love them. They come with a kids drink. Yep. There's a mailbox way up there. Super cute airmail. Hi, little crabby. Bye, see you later. We came over to the community hall to see if there was any like games or video games or puzzles to do, and it's just like a sitting spot right now, but it is air conditioned, so I guess there goes Finn again. Maeve, did you take your shoe off? Whoopers.
First, because he picked first.
They do have a penny machine where you put in the coins at this resort. Disney World now only has the ones where you put in like $1 and they give you a penny that's already in there. Did you get it? But he didn't get one yet.
Now I'm going to do Quinn's.
No. Hey, Finnegan, let Quinn go.
Good job, Penny. Go sit down with your penny.
Show me your penny. I need to see it. Show me. I can't see it. I still can't see it. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me off.
Look at all these little tiny crabs.
There's so many crabs in there, Quinn.
They're everywhere. Hello, crabbies. Right off of the little dock out here that they have. Boardwalk to the dock.
Some of them are actually like red and stuff. They're hiding in their shells over there. That's what a crab.
And I decided to take a little snoozer for the Dolphin cruise. We're going over here. I think so.
Am I good or do I need to keep rubbing?
Yeah.
I'm good.
Just kind of keep scanning the surface. It's about the dorsal thing's about a foot long. I don't see it, and you do. Just point it out or yell, let me know. And, it's coming up right at low tide. Low tide tides at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And high tides can be right at 10 o'clock tonight. So right at low tide, there's a lot less water here, so it's actually easier to spot them.
Yeah.
It's for like boats.
Hi, Maeve. Do you love the boat? Unsure about this. Bubbies? Having fun? Fun again? Hello.
60s and steep fishing back in 1975. So the owner, he bought it back in the early 80s and restored it. It's been doing Dolphin tours here since 1985.
She's closing her eyes, Dylan.
She's tired.
But,
Yeah, but I'm getting wet.
well, that happens. It's hot out today. Why would you not want to get wet? There's our resort from the Dolphin cruise.
The red roofs.
Yep.
This is where our house is. Those red ones. Those red ones are ours.
Yeah, so we'll just keep going here. You just never know where they're going to be.
Drop of water on you. Oh my goodness, did it feel refreshing? No. Okay.
This is how they're used to it. They're kind of like humans. They have different personalities. Blue crabs.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, I saw him.
Oh, can they stay on the water? No.
Well, Pooh was catching it. Whoa!
Oh, there it is. See it? There he is. Oh. Look, right here, Dylan. Can you see it?
The shark has a vertical tail fin up now. Here it is.
Can you see that fin again? Like right here. Are you getting warmed up to Auntie Maya? Oh, right there. Dylan, did you get it? Sorry for talking over your video.
Wait, what is this?
Yeah, you can see the stand of the high water mark on the cross island here.
Yeah. I did not put it on my
Okay. We now have a 2-bedroom suite. So we have a nice little entryway, once again, with washer and dryer, Come back this way. We've got the living area. Again, a pull-out couch that goes into a bed. Pull-out oversized chair that goes into a bed. Cute little kitchen area. Basically looks exactly the same as our other room so far, except backwards. Dishwasher, stove, bunch of little storage areas that we never really use because our kids are so little, they try to get in to everything. So then, if you come through the entryway, you made it to a double bedroom for the boys. They have a little table, little TV, little view, basically the view of the building we were in last time. The only reason we really switched over to this one is because that was all that was available. They have their own bathroom with a window in case you need to see who's coming into the marina. They have their own little storage area, closet. Oh, they're living the good life. I hope they don't get used to that. Whew. And if you come through to this side, we have the shower again, the toilet, sink, goes into the other part of the master bath, giant jacuzzi tub, and into the master bedroom. Again with birds on the top. And then you can go out on your balcony. No, maybe. Where it's a lot hotter. And there's 2 rocking chairs again. A little table with benches. And you can see the marina this time. Our old room is over there. And that's it. Love it. I missed this in the video, but the kids' bathroom also has a shower and a tub. Awesome.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that? That's amazing. Now we're done with our Dolphin cruise and we're gonna head over right across the marina. The first restaurant is called Scott's Fish Market. We're heading over there. We got the seafood enchiladas. So we ate over at Scott's Fish Market and it was super delicious. I had the seafood enchiladas. It said they only while supplies last because I guess they might sell out of that quite often. And they had scallops and shrimp and crab in them. They were so good. Definitely would get that again. Do you guys like your dinner?
Yeah.
Where you going? Nope.
This way, guys.
Wrong way. Maeve's singing. She must have had a good dinner. She stole some of her brother's chicken fingers. Now we've had dinner. We've gone on our Dolphin cruise and we are heading to the, what is it called? The Big Dipper pool? Is that what it's called?
Yes, if we can get.
If we can get in, but I think we can because there's not flamingo. Whoa, okay, wow. Alrighty. These guys are Maeve. Looking good. And again. Maeve, do you want to go swimming? Maeve. Maeve. Quinn, are you having fun in the Little Dipper? Is this your first time in a Disney pool? Maeve! Woo! Maeve, did you have fun in the pool? What are you doing? Number 30. That's 29.
I know that. Yeah, that's 31.
I know, wait, but you have to go to 30.